Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PPCB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but then you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area to talk about here is we'll just start with resistance because that's pretty straightforward, and that is where the party stopped today, and that's right up there at about 19 cents. Yeah, I get it, the price did go up above 19 cents, but for the majority, in my mind at least, the main kind of data points and price congestion area is right here around 19 cents. I mean, I get it during the final 30 minutes, didn't quite hit it, but still within the vicinity of it. Now, if you want to call it 20 cents, 21 cents, that's fine. I'm not going to disagree. I'm just saying that, like I said, from a data point perspective, there's just a lot more action right around 19 cents. So to me, that seems to be more so the quote-unquote true level of resistance. Point being, though, whether you want to call it 19 cents or 20 cents, doesn't really matter, because at the end of the day, what matters is, okay, well, where have these lows been? Meaning, are the lows getting lower or are the lows getting higher? And in this situation, those lows have continued to build and get higher and higher. So the first level of support I want to talk about is there at 13.5 cents. And that's what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Certainly staying up above 13.5 cents would accomplish that. Now, with that being said, if the price falls below it, I am not saying that the entire chart's ruined, because taking a step back and looking at things from more so the grand scheme of, the point of view is that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line there is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the overall price movement, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 13.5 would be great. However, from the big picture point of view, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. So nice movement, and as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.